I want some sleep. It's a really scary time. I'm so sorry.
Watch. Learn English conversation from movies.
मुझे गुस्सा मत दिलाओ. Don't me angry. Don't me angry. मुझे पहले मुकम्मल करने दो. Let me complete first. Let me complete first. ये एक अच्छी खबर है. That's a good news. That's a good news. तुम मुझे गलत समझ रहे हो. You are misunderstanding me. You are misunderstanding me. आपके पास कितने पैसे हैं? How much money do you have? How much money do you have? अब मैं कुछ बोलूं. May I say something now? May I say something now? मैं ये बगैर किसी वजह के पूछ रहा हूँ. I'm asking this without any reason. I'm asking this without any reason. मैं ज़बान का पक्का हूँ. I'm person of words. I'm person of words. इसे कौन मिलना चाहता है? Who wants to meet him? Who wants to meet him? अब तुम कैसे हो? How are you now? How are you now? मैं आपसे कुछ पूछ रहा हूँ. I'm asking you something. I'm asking you something. मेरे पास नगद पैसे नहीं हैं. I don't have any cash. I don't have any cash. क्या ये तुम्हारा आखिरी फैसला है? Is this your final decision? Is this your final decision? कौन कहता है कि तुम पागल हो? Who says that you are mad? Who says that you are mad? क्या तुम कुछ कहना चाहते हो? Do you want to say something? Do you want to say something? ये कौन है? Who is it for? Who is it for? तुम्हें देर क्यों हुई? Why are you late? Why are you late? बगैर किसी वजह के वहाँ मत जाया करो. Don't go there without any reason. Don't go there without any reason. मुझे एक लेने दो. Let me have one. Let me have one. अपनी शर्ट अंदर डालो. Tuck your shirt in. Tuck your shirt in.